Hello, hello, hello. This is Jesse. Came back to 99 Design. So, this is it. So, after many years joining 99 Design, so I want to challenge again my creativity, my experience in UX now, and my new strategy doing this. So, 99 Design is really great tools or site to practice. So I have some contest here. So it's redesign of for popular international website global-rates.com. So if we show this, yeah, that's the website you want to redesign. It's really cool. Wow. I love to redesign this. You know what? The good thing here, if we do a good and we win this contest, preferably they have also another website and this website. This is all old website and need all redesign. Okay, so let's do it. So first we need to read the brief, the instruction from the contest holder, and the contest prize is 1065. Woo! Wow! And if we win some in a final round, so we have few penny for that. But yeah, let's do it. So that's it. There are three websites, and they have 7 languages and some look and feel organized, clear, reliable, professional. So it must be more like, my idea here is more like app like experience thing. So yeah, and I saw some reference here. They do also some UX here. So they have some general guidelines here, the container, the body text, the colors, and blah blah blah. And they have some few wireframes here, and yeah. Now what my strategy now is, before I'll do research the UI and UI, but now I want to test my strategy. I need to build this on Webflow wireframe, then fill it. Then after that, I'll make the UI on the Figma. Tara! Let's go! Tara! Bye. Okay, so we're done on our live wireframing to ideate. So we have some ideas how to do it. And okay, so I already designed the UI here in Figma. So first I show you the old site. This is the current site, need to redesign. So the pain point for this is the text is very small. It's literally very small. It's really hard to read. So something like that. So yeah, this tree is very important. Also, basically this is like a data driven website, a lot of text. So this is my solution from the wireframe we did. So yeah, we make a slider of this top list, then we can create a timeline something, so it adds more interaction to the user, so the user will not be bored, something like this what we have here, this. But we can add more, like a timeline lines that it follows you when you browse. Okay, so also it's very generic, typical blog. Then another section for more data or more information, because the in the brief of the client is they need uh, something more in the section that they can add more links on it. And of course I add some newsletter that the user can subscribe, because if you browse their site, there's no, let's go to the brief so that we can browse the site. So this is the site. Okay, this is the site. It's very small. Can we make it larger? Okay, so of course they have translation here, so we add also a drop down for select language, and the contact us, we move it to the right side. Okay, and yeah, so we submitted the design. So we have here, and I conduct a UX review on the site. This is the pain points, and this is the solution what I made. So it's very generic. You need to explain it to the client, something like that. And if we view again the Figma, and this is the, but I think I need to improve this. I don't like this, but it still looks good. So anyway, so we met our goal. So we have a call to action, we have design hierarchy, and we add more interactions so that the user cannot be bored, and we present well the blogs, and we add more emphasis on the links so that the user can attract to click it. That's it. That's our goal for this. So hopefully you like this, and the contest holder will like this. But this is still 5 days, so a lot of things we can add, or we can make another options or layouts, then we pass here. So, ta bye bye.